how to create pages in WordPress. Hello guys, and today we're going to talk about WordPress. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look over here on the left side and look for this page section over here. You're simply going to click this. Now over here, this is where we will be able to edit every single page that we will be creating. As you can see here, we have an about page over here, a blog page, contact page, and a home page. To add a page, you can simply click on add new page over here on the top. And this will redirect us to this page over here. We can add a title on this section over here. So for example, we're going to add a page called shop, just like that. And we're going to click on publish over here. And we're going to click on publish. And as you can see, this shop is now one of our pages. And now what you're going to do is you're simply going to edit and create a shop page. By clicking on this button over here, you would be able to add all the different blocks and patterns and media that you could have for your website. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.